are you? This is your girl JayBaby, and welcome back to the channel. Y'all, I know, I look like a madame, okay? Like a madame. I'm giving you madame vibes, okay? Now, let me tell you about a wig girl that I'm about to try on. She's from Samsbeauty. Her name is Nisha. She's from Outre. Her name is Neesha, and she is a soft and natural lace front wig. And the box says pre-plucked HD lace. So this is the stock card. She comes in a variety of colors, and she is fierce. I want the colors, baby. It's the colors for me, okay? So oh girl, look at these styles that they have going on in here, okay? All these different wig styles, so you guys can be able to get your hands on that. You see it again? There you go. All right, so what I need to do is just take the stock card off first, y'all. Yeah, I'm giving y'all madam vibes. So with this wig, y'all, we have, in the inside, we have a comb here by the ear, a comb here. Let's turn our inside out. And we have a comb with adjustable straps. This is what her lace looks like right here. It's supposed to be HD, pre-plucked. So we're about to see, okay? And let's see the front part of her. She's gorgeous. I like her. She's short. Y'all know I haven't been doing short wigs in a while, but I wanted to, you know, review some shorter wigs. And she has a natural texture like regular hair, like Afro-American girl. Like that melanin brown skin. Yeah, she has that texture like that. You see that? Yes. Okay, so this is her party space right here. And I just want to get into the video. They say pre-plucked. Yes. So I'm just going to go ahead on and get into the video. I want to just start installing her for you guys. And we come back and talk afterwards, okay? Can we talk for a minute? Girl, I want to know. Yes. Okay, girl. Yes. Look at this. I look rich, okay? I look rich. Oh, my little bling on, girl. Bling. Okay, listen. So she is, honey, if we talk about big head friendly, I'm not too sure about big head friendly because a girl is struggling a little over here. Now you probably can move the adjustable straps in the back to make her less tighter, but honey, she is like fitting. She is fitting good, so I'm liking her a lot. I like the fact that she looks natural. And, girl, you can get your life on with this. Anyway, I said I wasn't going to come back. So, I just had to come back and try her on. But I'm going to go ahead and put some music on. And let's just go ahead on and get into the video.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See, no one else loves me like you do. That's why I'm mine. Spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give.
Nisha, she got executive in her. She has boss lady in her, honey. She has, I'm the boss. I'm the boss. Okay, so let's go here on and to get into her. Now, this wig is a boss lady's wig, okay? She's a boss lady's wig, and she is just simply gorgeous. I like the length of her because she will give you no problem. Even if I go this way or that way, I feel like she is good. The only thing that I am like having a little problem on is that I think that this side is shorter than this side, or maybe this side is more fluffier than this side is. Can you see it? I think it's more fluffier as far as the length is concerned. It's more fluffier, but overall it's a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful wig, guys. Look how beautiful she is. This wig is well put together. I love the fact that you could just go through her. You can just go through her. Go through her. Look at her. Just go through her and just, yes, finger her. She is cute. She is manageable. You can do her any way you want to do her. You don't have to do her with the triple layers like I had. You can, you know, do anything you want with her. And you see, she fluffs back. Let's see. Look at all these different styles. Yes, all of these different styles you can do with her. She is just so gorgeous. So, this is the Nisha wig, which is from Outre, and the color is DRFF Honey Brown. So, it has on here natural texture and value. It has a very natural texture to her. I really do like this wig. She is very put together, very nice. Look at her. She looks like, you know, like I just went on and just permed my hair, colored my hair. That's what it looks like. She is gorgeous. So, what else you guys need to know? Let's see what you need to know on here. Do she have curling iron safe? Because you already know. Girl, I don't put the straightening comb on her. Pre-plucked HD lace. I believe she's pre-plucked. I even look good with my glasses on, y'all. Look at me. Girl, I look like I am professional, okay? Heat-resistant fiber. Safe up to 400. I have mine actually on 270. And it comes in a variety of colors. Oh, they even have a FF Misty Smoke Gray for any older, you know, more matured, you know, if you are, I don't know, I guess you don't have to be older. I guess it just have to be if that's what you like. I like all of the different types of wigs that they have on here that you can be able to try. So I'm thinking that, I don't know, is she one? Is she the one? I don't know, but she's gorgeous, whatever it is. I like this, and she's really gorgeous. But, yes, guys, so I'm going to leave my glasses on. I'll probably take some pictures with my glasses on, too. I like this wig. She's not expensive at all. So, I was going to say not affordable. She's not expensive at all. You can get your hands on her if you want to. Even if you just don't want no bend, you just want it to go toward the front like this. Girl, she is cute. You can do whatever. You know what I'm saying? You can do whatever with her. I was wondering if I can get a middle part with her. I mean, a side part with her. But once you do that, the lace that's supposed to be on the sides goes further up here. So I wouldn't. You know what I'm saying? But, girl, right now, I think I look good. I look professional. I look matured. I look like I have wisdom in me. I look like, girl, like I can tell you what to do. Okay? Now, sit down. No. But, she is gorgeous. She is gorgeous. I don't think she would get in my way if I'm doing some bending down or anything. She is just everything. Everything. Natural. Natural. Let's go ahead and comb her. I don't want the video to be too long, y'all. But I really need y'all to see what this wig is giving. In all aspects. Because when I put her on, I'm like, girl, look at this. The possibilities is limited about not even, the possibilities are great in what you can do with this wig. I kind of like this style too as well. Yes. Little shy girl. I like this. It's styles you could do, you know. You can fluff a girl. I like the fluff. Fluff her. You know, it's just a lot of different styles that you can do with her. All right, y'all. So I'm going to just get on up out of here because I'll be playing with this wig all day. And I have to take some pictures. Oh, wait a minute. Hold on. Let me see something else. Let me see something else, honey. Honey. You know how you had that big look for the honey. Look how big she get, y'all. She is just so fluffy, girl. And you could just hand do her, and she is gorgeous. All right, y'all. So I'm gonna go ahead and get on out of here. And why I can't talk today? What is the deal? I mean, it's the wig, okay? But I'm gonna have everything you need down in the description bar for her. Nisha. She is beautiful. She is gorgeous. She is well put together. Okay, so you guys know, like your girl Jay, y'all see I don't even have it down right there because I don't need to. I mean, it's down. If I'm wearing off my face, then I would. I mean, I'm fine. Okay, so you know, like your girl JayBaby says. Your girl JayBaby says, be blessed and not stressed. And JayBaby is signing off. You guys, don't forget, if you are watching these videos, and I need you to subscribe, please subscribe. It helps my channel out a whole lot. It helps me out. It keeps me motivated, okay, to keep giving you more. And it makes me motivated to be able to upload every day, almost every day for you guys. Every day you will see my face, okay? All right, y'all. So everything you need will be down in the description bar. Hit Samsbeauty.com up. She have so many links that you be able to, you know, just go in and just have a party with these wigs, guys. Just clicking away because they are affordable, okay? All right, so you know, like your girl JayBaby says, be blessed and not stressed. And like, comment, and subscribe to this video. And JayBaby is signing off. Mwah.